I thought.
Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. We're here at Reichsford Crossing on the Old Main Line. We have a work train coming through here.
He's honking. K5LA, it's definitely a Mac.
Yep, it'll be a Mac leader work train. But yeah, should be here soon. It is here. Try not to get backlit too much. That's a Mac. Nice maintenance away equipment here. Here's the end already. There we go. No fallen flags, but lots of cool equipment. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Leave the tracks nicer than you found them, as always. If you see litter, pick it up. And I'm here with DMV Ag Geek, and this is Old Main guy. You can hear it at Iamsville Crossing now.
You might hear twice.
So yeah.
Yeah, we got Old Main Productions and we got DMV Ag Geek.
Top of the afternoon to you.
Correct. So that was a pretty short maintenance away train. No fallen flags.
Yep. I'll let you guys go for now. Adios, everyone. It's a beautiful K5LA. Enjoy the rest of your day.